Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our little peaceful podcast. Today, Tom and I will share how we start our day, softly and sweetly.
Hi, friends. Thank you for joining us again. Today feels calm already, maybe because of this topic.
Yes, talking about mornings always feels warm. A new day is like a new chance. A soft beginning makes everything brighter.
That's true, Mary. So let's begin. How do you usually start your morning?
I usually wake up slowly. I don't rush. I like to open my eyes gently and breathe.
That sounds peaceful. Do you use an alarm? Or do you wake up naturally?
I try to wake up naturally. Alarms make me feel stressed, but sometimes I need them, of course.
Same here. When I wake up naturally, my morning feels softer. My mind feels calmer.
Yes, calm mornings always feel better. After waking up, I like to sit on my bed for 1 minute, just breathing and feeling grateful.
I love that. Gratitude in the morning is so powerful. What do you think about during that moment?
I think about being alive, being healthy, and about people I love.
That's beautiful, Mary. For me, I start my day by stretching. Just a few slow movements.
Stretching sounds good. It wakes up your body gently, and it makes the day feel lighter.
Exactly. Then I drink a glass of water. Cold water wakes me up instantly.
I prefer warm water in the morning. It feels soft on my body, especially in the early morning.
Warm water is nice too. Maybe I should try that. My mornings might feel smoother.
You should. After that, I like to open my window. I let the fresh air come inside.
Oh, that feeling is amazing. Fresh air in the morning is magic. It feels like nature is saying hello.
Exactly, Tom. What do you do after drinking water?
I check the sunlight. Sometimes the sky is soft pink. Sometimes it's bright and strong.
Morning skies are beautiful. They make me feel hopeful, like the world is starting again.
Yes. Then I make my bed. It gives me a small sense of success.
Making the bed changes everything. It makes the room look better, and it makes the mind feel clearer.
I completely agree. Do you make your bed right away or later?
Right away. If I don't do it then, I won't do it later. So I try to start my day tidy.
Good habit. After making my bed, I like to wash my face. Cold water wakes me up instantly.
I prefer warm water in the morning. It relaxes me. It feels gentle on my skin.
Warm mornings, warm water, very merry, so sweet and soft. I like that style.
Thank you, Tom. What do you do next? Breakfast or something else?
I like to journal a little. Just 3 lines about how I feel or what I plan to do.
That's lovely. Writing helps us understand ourselves. It clears the noise inside the mind.
Exactly. Do you journal too?
Sometimes. Not every day, but often. I like writing positive thoughts.
You seem like someone with many positive thoughts. It's one thing I really admire about you. Your mornings feel so graceful.
That's sweet, Tom. I try to keep my mornings gentle. A gentle beginning makes a gentler day.
Yes, very true. After journaling, I make tea. Simple tea, green or jasmine.
Oh, jasmine tea in the morning is perfect. The smell is relaxing. It feels like a soft hug.
Exactly. Do you drink tea or coffee?
Tea. Coffee is for busy days. Tea is for peaceful days.
I like that idea. Peaceful days start with tea. Busy days start with coffee.
Perfectly said. After tea, I like to sit by the window for a minute, just looking outside.
What do you see? Trees, sky, people walking.
Sometimes I see children going to school, sometimes birds sitting on wires, sometimes just a quiet road.
That sounds peaceful. Watching simple life feels relaxing. It slows down the heart.
Yes, it does. What do you do after your tea?
After my tea, I check my to-do list. Not to stress myself, but to know what I need to focus on.
That's smart. Planning gives direction. It protects the mind from chaos.
Exactly. Do you make a to-do list too?
Yes, but a small one. 3 things only. Simple, clear, easy.
That's a good rule. Too many tasks make the mind heavy. 3 tasks feel achievable.
Yes. Then I choose my breakfast. Usually fruit or oatmeal.
Healthy breakfast. You really take care of yourself. I like that about you.
Thank you, Tom. What about you? What do you eat in the morning?
Sometimes eggs, sometimes yogurt, sometimes just bread.
Simple and nice. Breakfast shouldn't feel stressful. It should feel comforting.
Exactly. Do you listen to music in the morning?
Soft music, piano, acoustic guitar, or soft morning playlists.
I love soft music too. It feels like a whisper, like morning is speaking gently.
Aw, that's poetic. Do you play music every day?
Not every day, but on days when my heart feels heavy, music helps lift it.
Yes, music heals. After breakfast, I like to read a little. Just 1 page or 2.
Reading in the morning sounds lovely. It feeds the mind. It calms the heart.
Exactly. What do you do after breakfast?
I usually take a short walk, just 5 to 10 minutes, to breathe fresh air.
Morning walks feel magical. The world is still quiet. The air feels cleaner.
Yes, Mary, morning air feels like a gift. Like nature saying, have a good day.
Aw, I like that. Do you think mornings affect our whole day?
Absolutely. A calm morning makes a peaceful day. A rushed morning makes a stressed day.
I agree. That's why I start slowly. Soft, calm, gentle.
Your morning routine is beautiful, soft and thoughtful, full of warmth.
Thank you, Tom. Your routine is balanced and healthy. You prepare your mind and your heart.
Thanks, Mary. I think mornings show who we are. They show our true rhythm.
Yes, mornings reveal us. How we think, how we feel, how we treat ourselves.
Very true. Before we end, Mary, what is one small thing that makes your morning special?
I think it's the silence, the quiet moments before the day begins.
That's beautiful. For me, it's the sunlight. Soft light through the window.
Sunlight and silence, 2 gentle gifts, 2 peaceful moments.
Exactly. Thank you for sharing your morning with me, Mary. I love hearing your peaceful thoughts.
And thank you, Tom. Your mornings are inspiring, calm, simple, and warm.
Thank you, listeners. We hope our morning routines bring calm to your day. Start soft, start slow, start with love.
Yes, start with love. Wishing you a beautiful, peaceful day. See you next time.